Hello guys, I'm back with another tutorial, and this time it's a full face of this soft glam look, so stay tuned. So I'm using the Brown Melanin Makeup Melanin Fantasy palette. This palette is so good. So I'm starting off with the color Sweet Brown, and I'm just applying this to my outer edge, my outer corner of my eye, and I'm using a Zoeva 224 brush to do this. So next I'm going in with the shade Ohema, and I'm going to use this shade to blend out that brown, so just to soften the edges, and I'm using a Zoeva 228 brush. So for the inner part of my lid, I'm using the shade Boss Babe, and I'm just using the shimmery shade just to bring a touch of a glamour, and I'm using a Morphe M506 brush. Now I'm just using a black gel liner, and I'm using my Morphe M165 brush to do this. Now I'm going in with the shades Sweet Brown and Goddess, and I'm just using this to smoke out my lower lash line. I'm using a MAC 239 brush, and then I'm going to be going in with my Zoeva 228 brush also. Boom! We have lashes. Time for the face. Now I'm using the Pretty Fresh collection by Colourpop. The Hyaluronic primer is so gorgeous and smells so divine, and it's so moisturizing. Yo, you don't even know. I'm going in with the Pretty Fresh collection again, and this is their Hyaluronic Tinted Moisturiser. I absolutely love this stuff. It's so moisturizing. It's not full coverage because it's a tinted moisturizer, but it gives enough coverage for me, and it's just really hydrating also. This is a great alternative to wearing foundation, and I just absolutely love this stuff. Don't have to cake up your face all the time, even though we love to cake up face around here, okay? Yep, you guessed it, Pretty Fresh again. This is their Hyaluronic Acid. I forgot to say the acid. This is a Hyaluronic Acid concealer. Now this is full coverage, and it's so creamy, and a little goes a long way. I actually applied a bit too much. This was my first time using it, and yeah, I didn't need to apply too much, so be careful, okay, if you get this, a little bit. And I'm just blending this in with the Colourpop blender, whatever it's called. Beauty blender, that's it, duh. And I'm just blending this into my skin. Voila, I've set my face, guys, with my setting powder. Every product will be in the description box, guys. Don't worry about it, because one cannot remember everything. So now we're going to bronze. I love bronzing. Now this is the Morphe bronzer, or Brontour, in the shade Showmance. Showmance! I can't remember all these face brushes by heart either. That will also be in the description box too, guys, okay? So now we're using the Colourpop See You Later blush. Love this blush. This is a matte brush, but I can't remember the name of it. But yeah, we blush it out here. Now I'm just going in with the shade February in my inner corner. That's my birthday month, y'all. I'm just now using the NYX Espresso Lip Liner, and then I'm going to be going in with the shade Honey Bunny from Ruby Kisses Cosmetics. I'm using my Nicka K New York Trusty Lip Gel in clear. I love this gloss. And now Pretty Fresh again range. I'm using the Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. And then I'm finished. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. Let me know. See you later.